Welcome to Epic Stock Due Diligence. Please subscribe at youtube.com/EpicStockDD. Thank you.
Hey everyone, Ed here. I just wanted to talk about some of the best places online to research stocks for free. Now if you're like me and you're researching micro-cap stocks, also referred to as penny stocks, then you're probably, it's a different animal, because unlike the big board stocks, your New York Stock Exchange, your NASDAQ, your American Stock Exchange, etc., the penny stocks very seldom receive media attention. And that's because the price per share is so low. Most of them are even a fraction of a penny. So most of the news and most of the research related to micro-cap stocks, you got to do a lot of digging to find it. So some of the best places that I've found, and keep in mind that when you're dealing with micro-cap stocks, everything out there, every bit of information that's found, you should assume that it's inaccurate until you do your own due diligence and you prove otherwise. Because there's so much manipulation, and it's primarily due to the fact that the price per share of these penny stocks is so low that just an indication that positive news might occur could make a penny stock go up hundreds of percent within a few hours. I mean, it happens every day. It's a very exciting but very volatile world. So the places you want to go, the places I go, number one is Investors Hub, also referred to as iHub. Now it's a stock forum, a lot of good news in there. Basically every penny stock has its own discussion forum associated with it. You just enter the penny stock's ticker symbol, and you can go in there and you can chat with others about it. And again, expect a lot of fluff information, but expect a lot of good leads to do your own research and come to your own decisions. So I'll start at Investors Hub, and then I'll go to otcmarkets.com, which is a great place to find stock news. You can input the microcap stocks ticker symbol in there, and then you can view a lot of information. You can view the share structure, which I'll explain in another video. Feel free to check that out here on my channel. You can view who the transfer agent is. Check out my GAG transfer agent video. And a bunch of information, official news from the company. So it's a great way to further validate the claims that were made by members within the forum, whether it's iHub or whatever. And then you can even use your broker, your internet broker, Ameritrade, Zecco, Fidelity, whatever you might use. You can go in there and look at news. You can look at stock charts. Another great tool for charts is stockcharts.com. A really good set of stock charting tools on there. I'm not a chart guy, although I do look at charts for certain indicators, but it's a good site. And most importantly, Google. Good old Google.com. You can find pretty much anything on Google. So take all those tidbits of information that you found on Investors Hub. You've done your own due diligence, and you've looked at those articles that were shared on Investors Hub, and you further researched them. You found this stuff. Take those keywords to Google and search even more. You'll be amazed at what you can find. And you might even find something before the masses find it, and that's what makes money in microcaps. If you can find the verifiable information first, and you can share that with others, of course verifiable information, you might be owned before the bus leaves the station. You might make some phenomenal gains. I mean, there's new multimillionaires made trading microcap stocks daily. So that's a high level where to begin with stocks. I welcome your questions. Let me know in particular what you're curious about, and I'll see if I can post a video and try to answer your question. Also, feel free to subscribe to this channel. It's youtube.com/EpicStockDD. And check out my book too if you want to. It's available in the iTunes store. Looks great on an iPad. I've got a link to that within this video's description. Have a good one.